Lockly's Secure Pro Bluetooth Smart Door Lock Review. If you're looking for a high-tech smart lock that combines multiple access methods, biometric security, and voice control, the Lockly Secure Pro Bluetooth Smart Door Lock might be the perfect upgrade for your home. But is it worth the investment? In this detailed review, we'll break down its key features, performance, pros, and cons, helping you decide if this is the right smart lock for your front door. Key features and benefits. 6 ways to unlock. Maximum convenience. The Lockly Secure Pro offers 6 different entry methods. PIN, Genie, or digital keypad. Peek-proof security. 3D biometric fingerprint sensor. 0.3 second recognition. Smartphone app control. Remote access. Voice control. Alexa and Google Assistant. QR code scanning, temporary guest access. Physical key backup, emergency entry. Consumer problem solved. No more fumbling for keys, whether you're carrying groceries, have wet hands, or need to grant temporary access to guests. Peek-proof keypad for enhanced security. Unlike standard keypads where numbers stay fixed, Lockly's PIN Genie arm shuffles digits after each press, preventing shoulder surfing or fingerprint smudge detection. Consumer problem solved. Keep your access code secure, even in high-traffic areas like Airbnb rentals. Fast 3D fingerprint recognition. The second-generation biometric sensor stores up to 99 fingerprints and unlocks in half a second. While not as flawless as smartphone scanners, proper finger placement improves accuracy. Consumer problem solved. Quick, keyless entry for family members without worrying about forgotten codes. Real-time alerts and remote access. With the Lockly app, you can check lock status from anywhere, receive instant alerts when someone enters, grant temporary e-keys with schedules, use offline codes, no Wi-Fi needed, consumer problem solved. Monitor your home security in real time, whether you're at work or on vacation. Auto lock and emergency power backup. Auto locking ensures your door never stays unlocked accidentally. 9-volt battery terminal provides emergency power if the batteries die. Consumer problem solved. No more worrying if you forgot to lock the door, and a fail-safe if the battery runs out. How it compares to other smart locks. Most smart locks, like August, Yale, or Schlage, offer 2 to 3 entry methods, but the Lockly Secure Pro stands out with more access options, fingerprint, plus QR codes, plus voice control, better security, peek-proof keypad versus static number pads. No monthly fees, unlike some subscription-based locks. However, it requires a separate Wi-Fi hub for full remote access, whereas competitors like August Wi-Fi's Smart Lock have built-in Wi-Fi. Potential drawbacks and mitigations. Fingerprint scanner inconsistency. Some users report the sensor struggles with wet, dirty fingers and isn't as fast as smartphone readers. Mitigation. Register multiple fingerprint angles and ensure clean, dry fingers for best results. Touchscreen wake-up delay. The keypad can be slow to activate when the screen is asleep. Mitigation. Press firmly on the bottom left corner, where the checkmark appears, for quicker response. No official weatherproof rating. Unlike some competitors, for example Schlage & Co., Lockly doesn't advertise an IPX rating for extreme weather. Mitigation. Install a protective cover, sold separately, for doors with direct sun, rain exposure. Wi-Fi hub sold separately. Full remote access requires the Secure Link Wi-Fi hub, $79 extra. Mitigation. Factor this into your budget if remote control is essential. Who should buy this? Homeowners wanting multiple entry options. Fingerprint, code, voice. Airbnb hosts needing secure, temporary guest access. Families who want to track when kids arrive home. Tech enthusiasts who prefer voice control and smart home integration. Want to see real customer experiences? Click the link in the description for verified buyer reviews. Final verdict. Is the Lockly Secure Pro worth it? Pros: 6 unlocking methods, most in its class. Peek-proof keypad, superior security, real-time alerts and remote access, with Wi-Fi hub. No monthly fees, unlike some competitors. Cons: fingerprint sensor isn't perfect, requires clean fingers. No built-in Wi-Fi, hub sold separately. Touchscreen can be slow to wake. Final recommendation: if you want a feature-packed smart lock with strong security and multiple entry options, the Lockly Secure Pro is a great choice. However, if you prioritize flawless fingerprint scanning or built-in Wi-Fi, consider alternatives like the Schläge & Co. or August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Ready to upgrade your home security? Click the link below for the best price on the Lockly Secure Pro today.